yung mga nakakuha po ng sticker, hanapin nyo lang po ako mamaya. May regalo ako sa inyo. So, settle down now. Kung wala na kayo na, pito lang po yan na sticker. Okay? Join dear principal, Ma'am Nancy, Master Teachers, fellow teachers, our assistant principal. Okay. Okay. So I do principal to our dedicated assistant principal, master teachers, fellow teachers, honored guests, recognition evaluation, and to everybody a very true and motivated our class. Celebrating women's empowerment, equality, and inspiration within babae sa lahat ng sektor aangat ang bukas sa bawat Pilipinas. The celebration endeavors to bring together women and girls leaders from various generations toward a collective agenda empowering all women and girls. To formally open the 2025 National